Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about shape extrusion. Left side you can see the component, right side the forming tool. So this is the component I am going to create, and this is the forming tool. So let's start now. Now I am going to create this form tool. Select the top plane, go to sketch, draw center rectangle, select these two lines, make it equal, and this is 20 mm. Select extruded boss, take 4 mm and say OK. Now select this top face, go to sketch, draw one line. So we have to select this midpoint line and make it construction. Move little bit inside and select this line, select offset entities and take 2 mm. So this is one direction, we have to select bidirectional. Now select the arc, command and create this, joining these 2 points and make it tangent constraint. Draw one circle, and this is 8 diameter, and the distance between these 2 points, so end to end, this is 9. Now we have to trim additional lines, so select the trim, select the power trim and remove these lines. Now loop is closed and say OK. See, I am keeping in shaded form. The sketch is ready. Now select the sketch and create an extruded boss. So this can be any value. I have taken 4 mm. See here. Now we have to apply fillet. Select this edge and this is 1 mm and this is. Now go to sheet metal module, select the forming tool. So we have, before that we have to remove this material. So select this face, go to sketch and we have to convert entities. Select this convert entities and go to features, extrude cut and select through all. Now select the forming tool command, select this face. This is the stopping face, and material to be removed, select these faces. So the red color portion is going to remove, and the yellow portion is going to create the forming operation, and this is the stopping face. So after creating this, we have to copy this file directly from here, and we can paste in forming tool folder. So we have to go to design library, open forming tool folder, and we can paste anywhere. So I have already pasted it here in examples. So after that, we have to create the sheet metal component. So select the top plane and create a sketch. See, this is a square, and we have to take 20 mm. Create base flange, and this is 0.1 mm and K factor as 0.45. So here we have to make sure that radius is equivalent to thickness, and K factor is 0.45. So K factor should be always less than 0.5. So we have saved this forming tool file in this folder. So we have to simply drag and drop here. So if you want to position this exactly at the center, simply draw one diagonal line and place it at the center. See, exactly at the center, and say OK. Now keep it in isometric, flip the tool, see here, and say OK. So this is the component. So this is how we create this kind of components. And this is brief about shape extrusion. Thanks for watching.